My name is Michaelisa Lander. I go by Lisa Lander, and my law firm is Lander Legal Services. I specialize in transactional law, contract law primarily, writing, drafting, negotiating, and enforcing contract provisions for primarily small businesses. I've worked in this field for 30 years, and I believe I'm very good at what I do. My decision to become an attorney dates back to when I was in 7th grade and active in my 7th grade school and the politics, believe it or not, of my 7th grade school. I always thought I'd be a lawyer so that I could go into politics at a very early age. And that dream to become a politician never came about, but I did attend law school from 1985 to 1988. It was a great experience, and while there, I realized that my interest and my ability, my aptitude, went well with contract law and administrative law. The clients that I assist typically have small businesses with your typical small business concerns. Sometimes they want me to help them establish their business, writing their paperwork for an LLC or perhaps an S corporation. Many of my small businesses have contract agreements that need to be drafted between them and their clients, or perhaps them and another contractor that they are subcontracting with. Many of my clients have typical small business issues having to deal with leases or with outside regulations and restrictions that they have to live with. My job is to help them solve their business problems as quickly and efficiently as possible. And I typically do about 3 or 4 of those tasks a week, primarily because the work that I do is for a specific client tailored to them. I do not run a law firm where I have clients falling off the shelf, so to speak. I do try to be selective on my client load. And because I can be selective, I know that the help I can give them is of value to the client. I feel the strengths I have as an attorney have been with me since I was young and certainly became more developed as I practice law. And that is, I'm a good listener. I'm a good communicator. I feel that I can hear what someone is saying as their real concern and yet pick up that there are ancillary issues that they're not even aware of. So if I were to have a small business contact me about setting up a repair business in a garage that they own, I might also ask them, well, do you understand that there's permits required for this sort of work? Do you understand that you may need employees if you're going to stand up this business? Those kind of issues might not be at the forefront of the client's mind, but because I think I'm a good listener, and in my 30 years of experience, I have dealt with enough of these kinds of issues that I can think ahead for my clients and benefit them by applying that experience and those skills. My clients should know, and I try to make sure they do know, that I'm a committed individual. I want them to understand that I care about their business. I have been in practice for over 30 years. My practice experience was with the Air Force as a contract attorney. And I retired in 2019 in order to spend more time with family, but I found that I still enjoyed the practice of law enough that I wanted to keep engaged. And that's why I signed up with LegalMatch, to find those opportunities to do something I enjoy doing. So my clients come to know pretty quickly that I am on their side. I want to be a business partner with them as much as a legal advisor. And I'm glad to say that I've actually developed a number of friendships with my clients along the way. So if anything, my clients should know that I care about their business as much as they do when I can. Of course, they're going to care more than me. No one could care more than the business owner themselves. But I certainly want to support that and find ways to meet their needs and their desires.